Good morning students, this is Karpe Miss. I welcome you in the academic year 2020-21 and I am your maths teacher. Okay. This is your maths textbook. Okay. Now see the first lesson, basic concepts in geometry. Okay. Our first lesson is basic concepts in geometry. The geometry in the geometry we use that lines, then dots, triangles, all of the parts we use in the geometry. So see the complete the rangoli, then have a class discussion with the help of the following questions. Now for the rangoli we use the dots, lines. Okay, see the figure and make the class discussion. Okay, first, what kind of surface do you need for making a rangoli? Okay, then for making a rangoli, what kind of surface we need? Means on the stones we can make the rangoli? No. Means we need a plain surface for making a rangoli. आपल्याला एक प्लेन सरफेस पाहिजे असतो. आपण रांगोळी जेव्हा काढतो त्या रांगोळी काढताना आपण दगडांवर किंवा खडकाळ अशा जागेवर रांगोळी काढू शकतो का? नाही. रांगोळी काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला प्लेन सरफेस लागतो. सो वी नीड अ प्लेन सरफेस फॉर मेकिंग अ रंगोली. ओके, देन हाऊ डू यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग अ रंगोली? ओके, then second one, how do you start making a rangoli? Then for making a rangoli we use 5 fingers or a pinch. Means आता बघा, रांगोळी आपण जेव्हा काढतो तेव्हा रांगोळीमध्ये आपण दोन प्रकार बघतो. एक तर 5 बोटांची किंवा आपण काय करतो की टिपक्यांची रांगोळी काढतो की जिथे आपल्याला हे डॉट्स यूज करायचे असतात. मीन्स डिफरंट वेजनी आपण रांगोळी काढू शकतो. थर्ड वन, what did you do in order to complete the rangoli? Third one, what did you do in order to complete the rangoli? Means in order to complete the rangoli in dots we use the lines. ओके, म्हणजे आपण जेव्हा आपण ती डॉटेड म्हणजे किंवा टिपक्यांची जेव्हा रांगोळी काढतो त्याच्यामध्ये आपण जास्त काय यूज करतो की ती रांगोळी कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी आपण लाईन्सचा यूज करतो. देन फोर्थ वन, नेम द डिफरंट शेप्स यू सी इन दी रंगोली. आता तुम्ही जेव्हा रांगोळी काढणार आहेत त्या रांगोळीमध्ये तुम्हाला कोणकोणते शेप्स दिसतात आहेत ते बघायचे. वुड इट बी पॉसिबल टू मेक अ रंगोली ऑन अ स्कूटर और an elephant's back? It is possible to make a rangoli on a scooter? No, it is not possible because we need a plain surface. Okay, or an elephant's back? No. Means for making a rangoli we need a plain surface. We cannot make rangoli on scooter or an elephant's back. Next one, when making a rangoli on paper, what do you use to make the dots? Okay, means when we make a rangoli on a paper, what we need to make the dots? We need pencil, okay, or pen for making a dots. Sorry, we just skip one question. That fourth one, name the different shapes you see in the rangoli. In the dot rangoli we make a different shapes, that is square, triangle, rectangle. Okay, there are different shapes we make in the dot rangoli. Okay. Now we see the actual part in our lesson. First point is points. Okay, that a point is shown by a tiny dot, means by a small dot it is a point. We can make a point by a tiny dot. For making a dot we need a pen or a sharp pencil. Okay, and for naming that dot we use a alphabet and we need a capital letter of the alphabets to name a dot. Let's see. Okay, here I'll draw one dot. Okay, that dot means it is a point and P. The name is point P. Okay, we use a capital letter, point Q. Means a tiny dot, it is a point, and we need to use capital letters for naming a dot. It is point P, point Q. Okay, line segments and lines. Okay, for lines, first of all we see the segment. Okay, when we draw two dots, means 2 points, and we join that 2 points, point A and point B. Okay, and we join that 2 points, we draw a segment. Okay, it is a segment. When we draw when we join 2 points, it is a segment. Okay, the picture is segment. Okay, आपण जेव्हा हे 2 पॉइंट्स एका लाईनने जोडणार आहोत, हा तयार झालाय segment. The picture here we see it is a segment. Now what is the actual line segment? Okay, when we can extend the line in both the directions. See here, when we can extend the line in both the direction till the edges of the paper. Okay, see here, it is the segment. And when we can extend this line from both the sides, okay, it is the line. See here, I joined that 2 points, point A and B. It is a segment. Okay, and when we extend that line, from both the sides to the edges of the paper, it is a line segment. The picture is line segment. Okay, understood about this segment and line segment. Okay? Segment, line segment. Okay, that letters we use for that diagrams, it is we use capital letters for point, segment and that line segment. Okay, it is. Then see here that A and B, these are the end points. Okay, that A and B, these are the end points. A line segment has 2 points showing its limits. A line segment, it is the line segment, and a line segment has 2 points. That 2 points showing its limit. That 2 points showing the limit of that line, and it is the end points. Okay, the definition of end points is a line segment has 2 points showing its limits. They are called the end points. ह्या लाईन मध्ये बघा, ही कंटिन्यू लाईन आहे आणि ह्या लाईन मध्ये ह्या लाईनचे लिमिट कोणते 2 पॉइंट दाखवतात आहेत? इथे हा बी, इथे लाईन ही ड्रॉप झाली आणि हा ए, म्हणजे ह्या लाईनचे लिमिट्स काय आहेत? हे 2 पॉइंट्स आहेत, म्हणून ह्या 2 पॉइंटला काय म्हटलं जातं? एंड पॉइंट. ओके, अ लाईन सेगमेंट हॅज 2 पॉइंट्स शोइंग इट्स लिमिट्स. दे आर कॉल्ड दी एंड पॉइंट्स. Okay, that point A and point B are the end points of that line segment. Okay, then this is the segment, AB is the segment, and in short we can write the seg AB. Okay, in short that line segment AB as the segment or seg AB. Okay, a line is named using a small letter or by using any 2 points on the line. ओके, लाईन आपण जेव्हा दाखवणार आहोत तेव्हा ती स्मॉल लेटरने दाखवायची. आता ही लाईन आहे, पी क्यू इज द लाईन सेगमेंट, मीन्स सेगमेंट. ओके, इट पी क्यू इज द सेगमेंट अँड द लाईन इज नेम बाय युझिंग द स्मॉल लेटर दॅट इज द एल. line L, or any line P, line Q, but by using the small letter. Capital letters are used by the for the segment, not for the line. Okay, for the line only use the small letters. Means that line is line L and PQ is the segment for that line. Okay, PQ is the segment and the line L. Okay, then we can write down it as a line PQ or line QP. On both two ways we can write down line PQ or line QP. Okay, means it is the segment. Okay, it is the segment PQ. It is the line segment, so we can write the line PQ or line QP, and it is the line L.